tonight.
This is the National Weather Service in Chanhassen with a test tornado warning for Wisconsin and Minnesota as part of Severe Weather Awareness Week. This is a test. Repeating, this is a test. The National Weather Service, in cooperation with the Minnesota Division of Emergency Management and Homeland Security and with Wisconsin Emergency Management, is issuing a test tornado warning for all Minnesota and Wisconsin. It will be in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. This is a test. Take the time now to determine where you would go to a safe place, both at home and if you are away from home. Once again, this has been a test as part of Severe Weather Awareness